Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Janeno mar Color TV odiochieng' ma kawuono mar chieng' tich adek tarik 1 dwe mar Ang'wen higa 2026. Machiegni weche manyien e kidieny mar dier odiochieng' Njenga Joash Odhiambo Mitula. Wachako kama ni jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto odiochieng' ma kawuono bagoromo koda wakeini riwruok margi mar maendeleo ya wanawake par jot mar State House buore Nairobi. Jatend piny mabende oten koda min ode kata mikai mokwongo e pacho kaendi Mama Rachel Ruto oyango ni piny owacho mar osegoyo okenge mathoth malich mokalo mag chwalo chenro mag dongruoge ne oganda e pacho kaendi kanyendo ma oting'o bero okumba nindo mar thieth mano mar SHA ma opako malich mokalo kaka jo Kenya mathoth osedonje kendo chenro mag thieth oganda osebedo ka koro yudo. Oyango ni jogo eko moko mor koda chenro mage magin jotelo eko makwedo piny owacho ok ong'eyo gigo eko magiwacho kendo oganda nitiere kanyendo koda neno maginyalo timo e wi okumba nindo mar thieth mar SHA ni osekonyogi.
Sio wale wenye kazi na uwezo na pesa peke yao wanakuwa wagonjwa, hata mwananchi wa kawaida anakuwa mgonjwa. Na lazima tuwe na mfumo ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila Mkenya anashughulikiwa. Nikawaambia tutabadilisha NHIF, tutakuwa na mpango ambayo itashughulika na kila mtu. Leo kwa mpango wa SHA, Wakenya milioni 30 wamejisajili ndani ya SHA. Kwa mwaka mmoja tangu tuanzishe SHA, tumelipa gharama ya bilioni 121 kwa mahospitali Kenya. The highest ever paid amount to hospitals in the Republic of Kenya. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na tumesema hatutaki tena mtu auze shamba yake, hatutaki tena mtu auze mali yake ama ng'ombe atikwenda kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Gharama ya hospitali ilipwe na bima ya afya inayosimamiwa na serikali. Mwananchi bora amejisajili ndani ya SHA. Kwanza nyinyi mlio hapa, mmejiandikisha ndani ya SHA ama mko tu hivi? Mmejiandikisha? Hebu niole wale wamejiandikisha ndani ya SHA. Oh, bas, very good. Naona mko chonjo sana mbaya. Kumbe nyinyi watu mnaelewa mambo. Mmejiandikisha hapo ndani ya SHA? Sikizeni kina mama. Unajua maneno hii Kenya ni mingi. Leo I can say with confidence, ukienda kwa kijiji fulani utakuta mtu amesema nimelipiwa 20,000 na SHA, nimelipiwa 50,000 na SHA, familia fulani wamelipiwa 200,000, mtu fulani amelipiwa shilingi 1,000,000. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Mlikuwa mnasikia maneno kama haya zamani? Yes.
Eko machielo ni jotelo eko makwedo piny owacho riwruok nindo mar United Opposition ochung' kar tiendgi ni jatend piny Kenya onge ber moro amora mosekelo ne oganda ma pacho kaendi kopogore koda thagruok kendo kuom mano endo giikore mar mondo mi gitere pacho ka ochopo yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 ka gitwak e gwenge eko mag Ukambani gijiwo oganda mar mondo mi koro bi owuog oko karomgi kendo ne ni koro gitero jatend piny pacho ka gikwedo jotelo mawuok e masawa mar piny Kenya kata Central kanyakla koda moko mawuok e gwenge mag Ukambani ma pod medo siro jatend piny Kenya lwedo gi kinde niendi.
Tumetembea tangu jana, tumeangalia usajili unaoendelea na hatujaridhika. As the alternative government, we want to challenge IEBC. We are not satisfied with what you have put in place. Kuna sehemu nyingi hizi machine hazifanyi. Kuna sehemu nyingi hawajaweka zile kits za kutosha. Kuna sehemu nyingi hawajaweka personnel wale wa kusajili wa kutosha. Tunashukuru vijana wetu na ile Niko Card Initiative sababu sasa vijana wamejitokeza, na wakati wanajitokeza IEBC is letting us down sababu ya insufficient equipment, sababu ya failing equipment in some areas. So we demand today kutoka hapa Makueni that IEBC puts in place remedial measures to address the concerns that have been raised.
Hawa wakora ambao tunashindana nao sasa wanapanga kukuja kuwadanganya. Kwanza wanakuja na pesa. Wakikuja na pesa munafanya nini? Munafanya nini? Wangapi watakula? Alafu baada ya kukula wakikuja kusema muwapatie vitambulisho, sijui kosokoso, kuna kazi, sijui kuna nini, musipatiane kwa sababu wanataka kuwapigisha kura Ukipata mtu yoyote anakuja kuitisha kitambulisho hapa, munamtoa kama gari ya Meram. Ndio, si namna hiyo?
Rambe, wewe Ruto, wewe Kasongo, wewe Kaongo, wewe Zakayo, wewe Kenyei, wewe muuaji, wewe mtu ya Singapore, wewe mtu ya kutenga, wewe adui ya Wakamba. Kasongo aende asiende? Kasongo aende asiende? Wangapi wanasema Kasongo aende, Kasongo aende? Basi ile wasaliti wote kwetu wa jamii tumewatangazia operation inaitwa Fagia. Na mimi nataka tulete operation Fagia hapa Ukambani. Mnataka tulete operation Fagia? Nikisema Harambee mnasema Fagia. Harambee! Wasaliti ya jamii, UDA, Wilibaro, akina Mutuse, watu yote takataka, watu ile yote Kasia, wale wote wamepotea, wale hawafuati Kalonzo, wafagiliwe wasifagiliwe. Na ile mtu anaitwa Soprano, na Soprano, na Kasongo, tufagie Kasongo.
Ekinde majotelo weko yango kada kidho rekoda jatend piny yo machalo kamani ndo gavana i kaunti onogo ma Kirinyaga Mikai Ann Mumbi Waiguru to kwayo oganda mowuok e masawa mar piny Kenya kada Central mar mondo mi oyie lwedo jatend piny Kenya Moluor William Samoei Ruto kaluwore koda chenro mag dongruoge mabende osechwalo ne oganda ma Konindo. Ka otwak e kaunti mare onogo oyango ne jogo eko masani koro wero wan tam ka osegol jatend piny Locha to ang'o makoro biro timore kada jal mane mabiro tayo piny Kenya ka oyango ne jatend piny osetimo mathoth kendo kuom mano endo oyie mar mondo mi koro lwedo kendo kwayo kada singo bende ni yiero mabiro ma higa manyien mar 2027 bang' yiero no endo jotelo duto biro bedo kanyakla kendo tiyo twech achiel.
Hali opposition inaenda na Kenya ni kubwa kushinda Central Kenya. Mukitaka kura lazima muwe na nchi nzima. It's 50+1, sio Mount Kenya peke yake. We are 10 counties. In fact, we are 9 counties. Hii nchi iko na county 47. Kaeni chini na kalamu na karatasi. Muhesabu kura zenyu na tulihesabu na hawa watu wangu. Muhesabu za hiyo pande mwingine yote. Na tena niwaambie ukweli na mtaamini, najua wengine. Nasikia mmenyamaza, kwa hivyo unajua mnatia maanani. Kwa sababu kuna watu wanakuja wanasema ndio tutam, lakini kwa roho unajua sema ati muende mtoe Ruto. Aya, mumtoe alafu sisi tumejibadilisha vipi? Kwa sababu hamta succeed. Hata Kibaki ambaye alikuwa na challenge kubwa zaidi hawakuweza kumtoa, alimaliza zake 10. Hata Uhuru tulirudia uchaguzi, mnakumbuka? Si ilikuwa kansa tukarudia, walimweza. Sasa mkiangalia nchi yote mnaona Ruto ndio mtaweza Wachani niwaambie ukweli. Mtu anaweza ongea awafurahishe, alafu sisi ndio tutakuwa matatani. Sisi wacha nikwambie kitu moja, mimi sisemi kwa sababu ya upendo wa Ruto. Tuweke Ruto kando. Tumweke tuongee yetu sisi kama watu wa Mount Kenya. Politics is about interests. It's not a love affair. It's about interest. Nikiwaambia hizi kura zenu zinakusanwa, ziwekwe kwa kiondoo, zipelekewe Ruto, asipelekewe mtu mwingine, mtaniambia hao uongo. Wacheni niwaambie, Raila hakusalimia Uhuru. Si mlikuwa mmemsema sijui nini haiwezekani. Haya, kampeni kakuja ya 2022. Si ndio? Tukasema walisalimiana, kwa hivyo sisi tuko upande huu kwa sababu wale walifanya nini? 2023 hata ijaisha 2024. Si Raila aliingia kwa serikali? Sasa kwa nini mniamini nikiwaambia kura zitabebwa tu hivi, mtakuta watu pale? Kwa hivyo siasa msiweke kwa roho.
Ekindeni ndi bajopuonjre nitiere pacho edwenendo marang'wen manendo mar yweyo jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita kwe ma ipacho Laktar Raymond Omollo koro kwayo jopuonjre ma kamago mar mondo miyo yie onene giritore kendo kik gidonje dweche kata timbe moko manyalo ketho ngimagi. Kawo twak e sikul onogo manedo ma Utumishi Academy oyango ne jopuonjre ma kamago mantiere pacho gi sani oyie okung dendgi kendo kik giti kod yedhegi kuma mero ji kana donje grube moko mabende koro nyalo rocho ngimagi. To kar mano gineni giketo maino margi weche mag somo kaachiel kod ngimagi makinya, wach mabende osere kod jopuonje e sikul onogo ka magi giyango e kinde mabende koro ne ichiwo meche e sikul noindo.
As I have said, please stay away from drugs and harmful online content and choose your friends wisely. Your success lies in being safe, but also making responsible decisions.
The students, I want you to think very, very carefully. While you are in school, think about your parents, who are majority are police officers. That when they are working in Mandera, working in Chepchoina, Homa Bay, parts of Wajir, please think about them. And when you think about them, put a lot of effort in what you're doing.
That opportunity comes only, it doesn't strike twice, Indio. And to the class that is outgoing, to all of us, take the opportunity when it comes. Don't wait to strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron to make it hot. And I have no doubt.
Janero mara yena mara mono wakauye mokwongo baadwa duogo bang nyere machoka kumanendo medo manakete e Kala TV.
Get ready to elevate your business and any other commercials when you advertise with us. We are not just a channel. We are your gateway to the peak, for we give you the precision and desire to your commercials. Let us be your partner in success, broadcasting your message to thousands of our viewers. Contact Kala TV today and let's make the magic together.
Komuch to wan kode duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde mag timogie, to gin tuke magi mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo, kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Machiegni kendo jopiny mawuok e gweng' nendo magot Kojowi mayudore kar chung' od bura man Dhiwa e kaunti onogo ma Homa Bay sani koro ywagore kaluwore kod lal mar teko sitima mabende nochakore dwe mar 12 higa mokalo nyaka gi kinde niendi pok oduogo. Jopiny go koyango ni chenro mopogore opogore mag iko mag ohala e senta nendo magot Kojowi osirochore kauriwa koda kaode thieth nogo magot ko jowi menegi yango ni sikulo nogo mar got ko jowi senior school bende jopuonjre manyocha ne oriwore koda grade 10 somo magisani koro giloro ka onge teko sitima kendo chuno mar mondo mi giwuoth mabor ka gidhi manyo chenro mag thieth kaluwore ni yedhe moko ma ikano e friji ka itiyo koda teko sitima ok nyal kani gi e kinde niendi gi kwayo mar mondo mi piny owacho yone ni wuok oko kendo yur neno ni giyudo teko sitima mar mondo mi chenro gi makare odhi nyime mana kaka gwenge mamoko.
The expenses, at times we release the students to go out of the school to a pond which is nearby the school so that they can draw water for washing and their other personal use, which has its challenges. One, the insecurity, the students walking in and out of school. You don't know whom they meet out there. The challenges like that. A student can sneak out of school, they can disappear. We've had cases like that. But two, that water is also not fit for human consumption or human use. At times, some students would be forced to drink such water, and this has resulted in us as a school facing the highest level of a number of typhoid cases in the school, with our students visiting the nearby dispensary each and every time on matters of health issues bordering on typhoid. Then the hospital, I'm also told, has no power. So those are challenges that we're having basically. We have the girls. Girls use a lot of water. They need it for their own use, and this has been lacking. So it's my appeal that the county government, the national government, any NGOs that could be able to drill water for us, come to our rescue so that we have a safe environment where students are using safe water for drinking and for use, and therefore good health for us.
We are having a problem of electricity, especially in Gotkujie Center, which has made several operators of business to run at a loss because they cannot get maybe the customers as they used to get before. We are having now 4 months without electricity in the area. That one has led to the increase of insecurity in the region, which has made a lot of loss to our people who are doing the business in the center here. We are having our health facility within Asia called Gotkujoi Dispensary. This Gotkujoi, it is not very easy to get through it because of poor road. There is a road there which needs to be upgraded or needs to be made to a level where clients can maybe easily get access to the hospital. But this one has led to so many people declining to go there because they cannot get the service they need at the right time. So I'm requesting the government and the stakeholders within our region to come in and intervene within Gotkujoi Center so that we as the residents of Gotkujoi at least can enjoy some share of the government. There is a building that has stalled for almost 3 years right now, which it was supposed to be a maternity for the women. But this building, it has stalled. So we have not seen anybody, any government official coming close to the residents and explaining to them why this project has really stalled. So as the residents of the region, we were promised, and the project, it had been started, and the construction, we already had the engineer within the site. Right now, it is still on the floor. We are asking why it has not maybe reached the level it's supposed to be, or if there is any question they need to answer about it, we are requesting as Gotkujoi team so that they come out as the government officials or the people who are involved in the project to tell us.
Naomba Minister Opiyo Wandayi akuja hapa atutengenezee stima. Sahii ni miezi 4. Stima
na manabang seche manokende to kwethema kwelo piny owacho manendo mar United Opposition wuokanyende gwenge mag Ukambani ka gichungo chendo magi kuom ndalo maromo 2 kwetho gogo mag jogoro mongirore migepe mopogore opogore omole gwenge mag Ukambani kono kendo nyiso oganda ni jatend piny Kenya moluor William Samoei Ruto osechwalo negi chendo mag dongruoge mathoth kuom manindo kigichikit gi weche mag jotelo makwero piny owacho. Jotelo go komoting'o kanyo Julius Bitok man jagoro mongirore migawo nendo mar somo, Fikirini Jacobs man nendo mochung' ne migawo nendo mar were e kinde jotelo gi kumomoko oyango ni jatend piny nitiere koda ber mathoth ne oganda mapacho kendi kuom mano oganda makono kik koro dogi kweth makwedo piny wacho.
Ile kitu imeshtua wao, tunaijua, wanaona vitu zikifanyika kwa sababu sisi wenye tuko kwa serikali na leaders who mean well for this region, we want change. Na wale walimutuma hata wao ni bure kabisa, kwa sababu hiyo story hatujaisikia sahi, tumeisikia hata wao ni bure kabisa.
Mti mwenye matunda ndio hurushwa mawe na vijana. Kwa hivyo ukiona jamaa wamesafiri muda mrefu, wako na magari kama 100 kwa barabara, na hiyo lami wamekanyaga, wewe ndio umeililia kwa serikali.
Ukisikia watu wanakuja kutoka nje huko, alafu wanatusi Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto na dota yenu, mnakubali kweli? Mnasema aje? Si mnasema no? Mnasema aye. Ndio? So mtu akitusi Ruto unasema nini? Akitusi Meteri unasema nini? Basi. Sasa hii mambo ya maendeleo yote inawezekana kufanyika kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Ruto ako na malengo, na lengo la kwanza ni kuhakikisha anaweka ajira kwa vijana.
Kaidi muko. Sasa Mheshimiwa Rais, tunaamini by the time tunafika Nairobi atakuwa amepali kukuleta hiyo pesa. Nimwambie nini nikirudi Nairobi? Nimwambie Mheshimiwa Rais aje nikifika Nairobi? Nimwambie nini? Nimwambie nini? Nimwambie nini? Nimwambie nini? Nimwambie nini? Wacha ni
Aye maramurume wa make gi kanyende kidienende mana machigne pacho karaka machime kidienende mar diero odiochienga karaka mane ndo wature komolo kanyendo sa pare kidienyo nogo mar podho chienga moduogo ni kuna weche mamoko mathoth kaka gimido molonwa e mesa maro mar kawo weche manyien. Erokamano nyinga Joash Odhiambo Mitula ka jaloko marwa en migosi David Abila ka wechege kibende podi nyalo medo luwo ka okalo kanyine mbui magwa mag tudruok manendo Kala TV live e Facebook, X @Kala TV kaachiel koda YouTube bende Kala TV Kenya bende godiochieng' makare.